Today we're going to be doing a get ready with me, which is crazy because I haven't gotten ready in months. This video is sponsored by Dyson. It's a dream come true. You guys know I'm absolutely obsessed with my Dyson airwrap. It is my absolute favorite hair product. I've been using it ever since it came out. I've talked about it a bajillion times, but I'm gonna show you guys two different ways I style my hair with it. If there's anything I'm good at, it's doing my hair. Like, I don't have a lot of talents, but like this is one of them, one of the few. I like to start like right away when my hair is wet. I already obviously showered, brushed my hair through. I have a lot of thick hair that dries naturally very, very wavy. It's coarse, it's thick, and it's a lot to handle, but you guys know ever since I started using the Dyson that my life has become so much easier and I literally don't need to use any other styling product, which says a lot with this head of hair. So obviously the airwrap styler was engineered for multiple hair types and styles. If you guys don't know why this product is amazing, it's the Coanda effect. It's like the wow factor. So these are the barrels that I use, and it basically attracts your hair to the barrel only using air, and it wraps it around. The brush also attracts hair to it. It like propels air along all of your strands and kind of gives you that like stylist look, which I really, really love for just like an easy blow dry that it just makes me feel so, I mean, you guys have seen my Instagram being just like another perfect blow dry. And then this tool gives you those amazing curls and waves using no clamps, no extra heat, anything like that. So you basically can do everything and anything with this tool. It literally styles and dries simultaneously, which is what I love because I feel like my hair has gotten so much healthier and just like longer. It's literally grown so much because it also has like intelligent heat control so you don't get like a lot of damage. So this is how I just kind of like rough dry my hair. 3 different heat settings, 3 different air settings, cool shot, and then just the on. I should probably tell you what I'm doing. I am rough drying on the highest heat, highest air. So basically 80% dry is just like damp. I rough dry it like this before I use either of the tools. So first I'm going to show you how I just do my normal blowout, which I know you guys have seen before, but I feel like I've never really like gone in depth with it, but it's literally the best thing on the planet. Super, super easy. I literally just section it off into a few sections. And there's 2 different brushes. This one is for like finer hair, like a little bit softer, and this one's for like a little bit more coarse, thick hair. Honestly, I switch off on both sometimes. They're both really great. It just depends on like where my hair is at, what I'm feeling. I brush it out really quick and then I get started. So easy. My hair is so soft, so smooth. It doesn't require anything else. What I like to do is, as you can see, I was kind of like flipping it, giving it extra volume this way so that it kind of flips into my face and it just has like a little bit more volume at the root. So I kind of got in the habit of doing it like that. You can even just like do it totally straight if that's more your vibe, but I like having just like a little bit of like flippiness on the ends. And I literally just do that to my whole head. It's so easy. I can do it with my eyes closed. So for the front pieces, I like to use the round brush, and I like to use it just to give myself like a little bit more of a blowout and volume in the front. I also kind of go in sometimes on the ends and really kind of like twist it up even more just because I've been really liking that look. You can see that I gave myself just like a little bit more volume around the face so that it's not sticking straight. This is also really, really good for those like little baby hairs, just it like really grips them and lifts them up. It just kind of gives me like a little bit more of a straight with a small body, which is my favorite way to wear my hair. And then I also go in right kind of like at the face frame here, and I'll use the round brush to make sure I get this volume. And then I'll kind of just keep her out of the way while I finish the rest. This is what it looks like when I'm done. It's very voluminous in the front, but very, very sleek, very straight, so soft, so smooth, so easy to just like run my fingers through it. It's literally the only thing I've done to my hair in 4 months, but I'm also gonna show you guys how to use the curling feature. So now I just re-dampened my hair so I can show you guys how I style it with the other attachments, which are right in front of me. It might seem a little intimidating, and honestly it's really not. There's obviously a bunch of different sizes. These are my favorite to use. My little trick that I learned is that you hold it up to your face, and when you're looking in the mirror, you see which way the arrows are facing, and you want them facing away from your face. So this is the wrong one. This is actually for the other side, because the arrows, when I look in the mirror, are going away. So basically you take your like 80% dry hair, you can just rough dry it. You can also get like a little bit of your roots with the regular brush if you want. Turn it off. It's literally so easy. You just feel it with your fingers that it's dry. You give it a cool shot to set it, which is really, really important. It really, really sets the curl, and it's just so quick and easy, and it gives like such a fabulous curl. I like to kind of twist it on its way out, and then I twist it again, pull everything together, have them have a party in the back. Even more body and movement, just like super fabulous curls. I'm like obsessed with it. I used to try to get this kind of hairstyle from so many different ways. I just like was doing so much damage to my hair, and this literally is so fast, so easy, so good for your hair. Wow. And I'll just do the rest. And voila, just like really classy, voluminous. You can even like mess it up a little bit, really play with the volume. Obsessed. It is literally my absolute favorite hair tool. You guys know I talk about it all the time. Make sure you check out the description box for more info about Dyson. So this is more of my like, I'm actually leaving the house look, I'm actually celebrating look. And I didn't mention it, but I'm practicing getting ready for my birthday. Hey. Yes, it's true. My birthday is coming up. By the time you guys see this, it will already have been my birthday, I'm pretty sure. So this is like a practice run, because I just haven't gotten ready in so long. So I wanted to like practice doing my hair, practice getting ready. Wow, that looks really good. Damn. While I was staying at home, the only thing I ever did was my hair, because when my hair is done, when my hair is dry, I just like feel really, really good. And it got me thinking, what if I do less makeup as well? So then I get ready super fast, because my hair is already super fast and easy. Why not keep my makeup super fast and easy? So for my birthday, it's not really that like I have big plans, honestly. One of the only things I want to do for my birthday is just like feel cute, because I haven't in so long. And you guys know that I get like super tan on my body and not as much anywhere else. So I'm just gonna go in with some CC cream, a little bit more full coverage, and see how we like it. Okay, I think I like it. It like definitely is a little more coverage than I thought it was gonna be, but it feels like it's really like on my face, so it doesn't feel like I'm wearing anything. I guess it says full coverage, but I didn't think it was, I thought it was a lie. I've really only been using concealer if I do anything. This, I guess, will work. I guess this means less concealer. Cover up that pimple that you guys have had to stare at. I've also been trying to use less concealer, and I do like blending stuff in with my fingers because I feel like it keeps the product warm, and you also get ready really fast. I honestly didn't expect to be like staying home for my birthday this year, but I also didn't really expect anything for my birthday this year. I'm not like a huge birthday person, but this one feels a little bit more special, I'm not gonna lie. Next, I'm just going to put on a little bit of bronzer. I feel like I'm already pretty rosy, so I like to go in with just like a little bit of matte bronzer and just like pat it on to give myself a little bit of like a different color on my face. But I feel like it looks really nice when like don't put too much product on and just a little bit of bronzer and like not even any highlight or blush, a little bit of like definition, and it just like keeps everything really natural, but like my cheeks still look pink, so I feel like I don't really need blush. And then I got a new eyeshadow palette. It has just like all neutrals in it. Part of me wants to use my fingers, part of me feels like that's not a good idea. Ugh, where's the brush? Is this a sign? No. I'm gonna do this like nude, not nude, this taupe base Okay, okay. So I like keeping it darker on the lid. Okay, okay. Maybe put a little bit of warmth in the crease, but keep it really close to the lid. We're still figuring this out, guys. This is like a test run. It's like hair, I know what I'm doing. Makeup, we're testing it out. Okay, that doesn't look that bad. We got a pizza oven in the backyard, so I will be, no I won't, my brother will, making pizza in the backyard, and I just have this vision of like me in a cute dress on my birthday with glowing skin. So that's kind of what we're practicing for. Okay, that doesn't look that bad. Okay, okay, okay. Not too shabby. Sometimes I feel like you have to like quit while you're ahead. It looks pretty good right now. Maybe I should quit while I'm ahead. Okay, so I've been doing this thing with mascara because I really don't like the look of a lot of mascara. I always end up getting too much mascara on because I need to like get all my lashes. Then I'm like, oh my God, that's so intense. So what I do is once I have it on, to make it look more natural, is I go in with just like a brush, like a wispy brush that has nothing on it, and I just like brush it out, and it kind of just like takes off that top layer that maybe didn't need to be there, and also just like spreads out the lashes. And so you still have mascara on, but like it's not as intense. They just look like a little like more fresh and like wispier and not as like dark. And I try not to use too much, but I don't know, maybe it's a personal problem. So I kind of do that, and you can maybe see the difference between, you can kind of see the difference between both eyes. This is good if like you want more natural look, maybe you're not very good at mascara like me. So you just look like a little fresher, a little wispier. And then I've honestly only really been using lip balm, so this will be weird. And then I'm gonna try on a dress. Brush up them brows. I actually really like how my hair fell in this little situation because it has so much volume up top. Whoa. Okay, okay. Have a couple pieces coming down maybe. Both sides, dare I? Oh, wow. Hello, volume. This is kind of cute. Now I practiced, and if it were my birthday, I'd be ready to go to the backyard. But it's like, it's your birthday. You're allowed to like dress up, right? Or am I a total loser? But it feels like so nice to have gotten ready for like once. So this is the finished look. This is the vibe all summer long. I feel like it should be, at least. Going to your own backyard or whatever you're doing, it's good to feel cute. I feel cute. I mean, look at me, I'm like posing. Oh my God. Let me know if you guys want more get ready with me videos. I know it's been forever and I need to like maybe figure out my makeup a little bit more. But thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for new videos every single week. I love you guys very, very much, and I will see you in a few days. Bye.